Welcome to the walkthrough of Move the Turtle tasks from Chapter 1. The chapter contains 9 tasks, each introducing a new command. Task number 1. Create your first program using the Move command to move the turtle forward. Use the slider to move further. Collect the diamond to earn a maximum score of 3 stars. Task number 2. The diamond is on the left side. To avoid hitting an obstacle, add the turn command before the move command so the turtle can turn left first and then move forward. Task number 3. In this task, the turtle must fly above the river. Use the pen command to lift up the pen and move without leaving a trace. Task number 4. The diamond changed its color to red. Now you can pick it up only if you change the color of the line to the same color. Remove the unwanted pen command from the previous task using the bin icon. Then add the color command and change the color to red. Task number 5. Now we will learn how to repeat a set of commands. To draw a square, go forward and turn left 4 times. Add the repeat command and set the number of repetitions to 4. You may notice that the repeated command icons are now highlighted with a light green color. Task number 6. This task is super easy but very important. Tap the save icon in the lower left corner and save your square drawing procedure with a name so we can use it later. Task number 7. Now we can use the previously saved procedure to draw a square again. The trick is that we want to turn left before drawing to collect a diamond. Task number 8. We can also play a sound. There is a hint near the diamond indicating which sound we should play. Add a sound command with the note C+. Task number 9. The turtle can jump to other places on the board. Add a position command and set the position to the upper right corner to collect a diamond. Well done. You have completed Chapter 1.